guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be probably one of my most requested as of lately. Like, you guys really want to see a hair update video, so that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to give you guys an update on my hair. So I kind of just gathered all the products that I have here at home that I use on my hair when I do my hair, because most of you know, if you ask, I'll tell you that I don't normally do my hair. My mom does my hair, only because I don't have time to waste 2 days trying to do my hair. So me going to the salon is just much easier. I'm in and out in like 2 hours and I'm good. I gathered all the products that I use on my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys products that I use. There's no special thing that I do to my hair. Let's break it down. I am natural now. I've been natural for like 2 years. I transitioned for quite some time, and then I think September 2016 is when I finally cut off all my relaxed hair. So I'll show you what my hair looked like right after I cut all that hair off. It was definitely the end or middle of September 2016. So yeah, I did that. My hair was a choppy mess because I cut my hair and I was just like, this is straight, and I was just cutting. So when I finally went to my mom to get my hair done, it was a hot mess. So I had to end up getting my hair cut just a little bit shorter so it can be evened out, but my hair was all over the place. So it finally grew out and now we're here. I don't do anything to my hair. I get my hair done once a month. That being said, on a normal basis, I only wash my hair once a month. I know my mom's like, don't say that, but I'm like, that's what I do. So yeah, I like to wash my hair once a month. So I am a firm believer of dirty hair grows, but of course you have to do what works for your hair. So yeah, I'm going to show you the products that I use on my hair when I do wash my hair. I have these products from The Main Choice, and this is Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydration Shampoo and Detangling Hydration Conditioner. I really like these products only because when I first started, I want to say like right after I cut my hair, I needed something that was, you know, I was just trying things. I really like these two products because it made my hair really soft. It definitely helped with detangling, because after I used this and then I would go back in to like comb my hair and blow dry it and stuff, I found that combing my hair was a lot easier. So I do think these products are really nice. As you guys know, since I said I only wash my hair once a month, I do tend to have a pretty dry scalp, so I need something to tackle the dandruff and the dryness of my scalp. So I really like the Care Dry Itchy Scalp Anti-Dandruff Moisturizing Shampoo, and then I have the moisturizing conditioner. I opted to get the big size this time because I use this and Josh uses this sometimes on his hair, but I really like this. If you have a dry, flaky, itchy scalp, I think these products work really well. They really clean your scalp and it's all tingly and it just feels great. I get this from Cosmoproof, so I don't know where else you would get this if you don't have a cosmetology license. So yeah, I really recommend this if your scalp is dry. And then when I do use this conditioner, I like to use this conditioner after I shampoo, and then I'll follow up with another moisturizing shampoo. And I like this one by Kanra, and this is the moisturizing conditioner, and this is a conditioner that hydrates dry, brittle, and coarse hair. It's a humectant, which I love. Deep penetrating formulation replenishes moisture for greater elasticity, manageability, and shine. I like this product. I got this from Cosmoproof as well, but I'm pretty sure Ulta sells Kanra products. So yeah, it just looks like this. It's really conditioning, it smells really good, and I do believe it makes your hair really soft. So yeah, as far as shampoos and conditioners, those are the ones that I've used myself at home. Of course, when I go to the salon, my mom's products are different. I honestly don't know exactly what products she uses on my hair, but I definitely will ask, and I will list those products in the description box for you guys. So yeah, like I said, my scalp tends to be dry, so a lot of the times right before I wash my hair or before I'm about to get my hair washed, I'll oil my scalp. So I like the Miele Organics Mint Almond Oil. So I use this on my scalp sometimes, and then if I'm not using this on my scalp, sometimes I'll go in with this Palmer's Olive Oil Grow Therapy grease. I'm pretty sure this is grease. It's green. I use this when I have braids, and just if my scalp is dry, I like to go in with this if I don't use the oil, because oil is really heavy, and I feel like once you oil your scalp, like use like an oil like this, you literally have to wash your hair because it'll weigh your hair down, and it's just gross. Okay, shampoo, condition, grease scalp. We're gonna go into blow dryer. I recently picked up this blow dryer. This is the Revlon brush blow dryer. I used this in like my last video that I did on my hair, and I'll put a link up here in the card somewhere so you guys can check it out. But this is a lifesaver. Normally my hands will get so tired from blow drying using like a standard blow dryer, like I have to take breaks. But with this, since it's like brushing your hair, it works really good. And I don't know, I just think this is the smartest thing somebody can make for your hair. So I love this blow dryer. This is a blow drying paddle brush. It only has 3 settings: cool, low, and high. I blow dry my hair on high because I have a lot of hair, and listen, it's got to get dry quickly. So this brush works really well. I love it. If you guys want like a separate review demo with me using this brush, just let me know and I can get that done for you guys. So I love this blow drying brush. And for flat iron, because you guys ask all the time what flat iron I use the Paul Mitchell Neuro Smooth flat iron. It looks like this. I flat iron my hair on 440 to 450. I have thick hair and it's got to get straight. So I love this flat iron. This is the one and I think it's like 1.5 inch flat iron. Well, it's not 1.5. It's like 1.25 inch flat iron, and I love this flat iron. I feel like the plates are like the perfect size to, you know, take decent amount of sections to flat iron my hair, and it works really well on my hair, and I just absolutely love it. It heats up really fast, and it's just easy to work with. And yeah, it has these really nice plates. And I've gone through a lot of flat irons. I've used Chi flat irons, FHI flat irons, I've used Kanra flat irons, all kind of flat irons, and this one is by far the best flat iron for my hair. When I go to my mom's hair salon and get my hair done, I take this flat iron with me. So she uses my flat iron when she does my hair. It works great. So that's my flat iron. And then let's talk about some sprays for the hair. I have a bunch here. Okay, so yeah, I have a bunch here. So I do have a serum. I like the Chi Argan Oil plus Moringa Oil. I use this on my hair when it's wet, and then I'll go in and blow dry my hair. This is a lightweight, quick absorbing blend of argan and moringa. It's a moisturizing blah blah blah. It is a heat protectant. It protects against damage from thermal styling and UV rays. So I do like this oil on my hair. It's like almost empty. I don't even know if you guys can see what's in this bottle, but it's like to here. And I've had it for a good year. I think I've had this for a good year. So I really like this oil for my hair when it's wet. I don't use it on my hair when it's dry unless I'm wrapping my hair, and sometimes I need something to like seal my hair around or else it'll fall, especially when it's like super fresh. So yeah, I have a heat protectant spray that I use sometimes on my hair when I am straightening it, and this is the Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat Flat Iron Protection Spray. This just smells really good. It works well, and it gives your hair a really nice shine. I don't like the wet heat protectant sprays because that just defeats the purpose for me. I need something that's dry, and that works well. And then, you know, throughout the weeks of me wearing my hair straight, I like to spray dry oils on my hair, and these oils absorb really quickly. They don't weigh your hair down, they don't make your hair heavy at all, and they're both by OGX. And the first one is the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. I love this one. It smells really good. This is probably my favorite. I rebuy this all the time. And then I have the B5 Weightless Oil Mist. This one smells really good, so I feel like either one you'll be happy with. As you can see, mine are almost gone, but I love them. They smell really good, and they don't weigh your hair down because it's a dry oil. So I recommend dry oils for your hair if you just need to put something on your hair. That's what I like. So yeah, moving right along, the humidity. I live in Georgia. It's humid here all the time, and you guys always ask how I keep my hair straight for so long. I wrap my hair every day, and I use this. It's a 10 Miracle Shine spray. This is a really good humidity spray. It does 10 things. It softens coarse hair, improves elasticity, it's an antioxidant, environmental protection, anti-humidity, and minimizes frizz. It's a heat protectant. It controls and makes your hair more manageable, seals and protects hair, locks in moisture. It's a shine spray. It does a lot, okay? I really love this spray. I feel like it does everything that it says it does, and I always repurchase it. So yeah, I love this spray. Yeah, moving right along. I think those are like almost all the products. You guys know I do dye my hair black. My natural hair color is like a dark reddish brown, but I like my hair black. So for hair dye, I use the Wella Color Charm Demi-Permanent Hair Color in 1N, which is just black. I like this for my hair because I like my hair black, and this gets my hair really dark, and it's semi-permanent, so it fades over time. I don't put any permanent hair color on my hair, so we're not lifting my hair at all. We're just depositing color. So I really like that color for my hair. Then moving right along, I feel like I get a lot of questions on brushes. You can get brushes from anywhere. This brush is from Kanra. I got it from Walmart. And then this brush is by Kiss. It was actually sent to me, but they have these in my local beauty supply store, so I'm sure they'll have it in your local beauty supply store or even Walmart or anywhere like that. So I love these paddle brushes. I also have a mini one that I keep in my car or in my purse, wherever I need like a brush, and I can't fit this in there, so I always take my little brush with me. So yeah, I love paddle brushes. Paddle brushes are what I use to wrap my hair with. The easiest thing you can use to wrap your hair with is a large paddle brush. Combs don't work, teeny brushes don't work, boar bristle brushes don't work. You need a good old paddle brush because you can just like swoop, and it just gets all your hair. It just gets it all. So yeah, I use these paddle brushes. So yeah, those are all the products that I use on my hair. I hope this video isn't too long because I have to tell y'all what products I use, or else you'll be asking. And this is an aid in my hair growth because this is all I do. So I'm going to show you guys what my hair is looking like right now. So this is the current status of my hair. I got it done, I feel like it's been a week. No, I got my hair done last Saturday, so it's been a week since I got my hair done. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I do definitely feel a difference. Like when I first get my hair done, it's very flowy, it's very airy, but over time I'm wrapping it, and I'm spraying my dry oils, and I'm putting my serum on it, so it does start to get weighed down. But I feel like my hair is still very much so flowy and bouncy, and it looks like it's been freshly done. So I feel like I see the most difference in the front of my hair. I feel like the top of my hair is longer than the rest of my hair, which is kind of odd. But like my bangs, like the front, you guys know I used to really like to wear like 2 pieces of hair, and then like I put my hair up. But honestly, I feel like I can't do that because my front pieces are so long. I just feel like it looks odd. But yeah, the front of my hair has grown a whole lot. I'm going to show you guys like clips from previous videos of my hair journey thus far, and you'll definitely see a difference. Like, look how long, like, these front pieces are super long. I don't do anything to my hair. You guys know I mainly wear my hair out. I wear wigs sometimes, and of course, you know, I love my clip-ins, so I have to wear my clip-ins, and that's all I do. I mainly, like, most of the time I'm wearing my natural hair. So I feel like for me in growing my hair, it's definitely been leaving it alone, not over manipulating it, because like I said, I get it done once a month and I'm just wearing it straight. I'll do ponytails, and then, you know, when my hair gets really dirty, I'll start wearing wigs and my clip-ins and all that fun stuff. But yeah, it's just, this is all I'm doing. So this is what my hair is looking like from the side. I did just get my ends trimmed probably like last month. They was rough, they were straggly. So I do recommend getting your hair trimmed every other month or so, or however often you feel comfortable. Me, I get them trimmed whenever my mom's like, it looks like you need a trim, so I'll get my ends trimmed. Getting trims regularly is very, very important. So get trimmed, you guys. It's just hair. It'll grow back even better. So I do like to get trimmed. So yeah, here's just what my hair is looking like with it all to the back. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with my growth. I'm excited to see how much more growth I'm gonna get, or how much longer my hair is gonna get. But if I left anything out, or if you guys have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask and I will gladly answer them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this hair update. I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.